Welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're going to coming to you live from the 34th Annual Futures and Options Expo in Chicago. Joining me to round out coverage for Wednesday, we have Cott. He is the Director of Business Development and Wealth Advisor Education over at the Options Industry Council, and one of my favorite people in the industry. You're like the Where's Waldo of the options
such a
world.
pleasure to be back with you, Jill.
Thank you. In Chicago. Let's talk about that. Options trading strategies for advisors. I'm sure you've had a busy couple of weeks with the volatility that was sucking back into the market last week. What are some of the discussions that you're having around that with the FAs?
Yeah, it's interesting. You know this as well. Last week, OCC cleared over 38 million contracts, one of our fourth largest ever. And I think what's really timely for advisors now, I do this comparison between weather and options. So, you know, when things happen in Florida where I live, like hurricanes, it's better to be buying insurance beforehand. Well, now with volatility and the rise, advisors are hearing from their clients and looking to talk and have a discussion about any protection, protective puts, things like that. So it's certainly allowing us at OIC to kind of redevelop those conversations.
Well, there's been some updates on the OIC site. I want to talk about that, and then also the new series for 2019, Coffee with Cott. That sounds super exciting.
Sure.
Let's hear about some of the updates first.
Sure. So one of the things, we've launched a new website, a soft launch, August of this year. So what we've done is we've added new tools, kind of a better way to navigate through the different portals for retail, institutional, and advisory. We're doing a lot more digital content. Our favorite colleague, Joe Burgoyne, is doing a lot more as well. But we're excited. It's kind of a work in progress for us, but it was timely. OCC launched a new branding, and now the complement to that is this new website. So there's a lot more to be seen. We encourage the your listening audience to go to optionseducation.org to take a look at it. You'll be seeing more things the rest of this year into next year.
Is that where people find Coffee from Cott is going to live on that site?
Well, interesting. I have to thank you and Nasdaq for coming up with that Coffee with Cott phrase. And now we're going to do the group at the FA program at OIC. We're going to start to really kind of develop, Jill, more in terms of blogs, podcasts, digital content, really in a way to kind of touch the advisor audience more frequently. Because just like you boots on the ground, trying to be at all these places, they can't really, you can't be everywhere. So this is an opportunity for us to take that, Coffee with Cott sort of branding, integrate it with OIC, and reach a larger audience on a more frequent basis.
Well, you're going to be attending Schwab's annual Impact Conference next week. That's a big one for the financial advisors. What are you looking to get out of that?
So that's been one that I've been attending almost 10 years now since I started to develop this program. What we'll see is a lot more of the sub-advised firms, the 40 Act mutual funds, the ETF providers, who are now trying to offer strategies through a fund to make it a little bit easier for, say, the non-using advisor to not have to worry about managing positions. They can still offer a strategy to their clients, but have someone else, an asset management firm, kind of do all the heavy lifting for them. So I'm looking to see who's there and some of the other new strategies that are being offered.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me
at
FIA.
Thank you so much.
You got it. And thank you for joining me throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter.